Welcome to the breakfast episode of Cooking with Feelings. This morning I'm going to be making Dutch babies, which for those of you who've never heard of it, doesn't mean eating an actual baby. I'm not opposed, but that's not what we're making today. Just kidding, that was too creepy. Baby is super duper easy. All you need is 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of flour, and then a tablespoon of sugar, or if you're like me and you have this random vanilla sugar that is 7.5 grams, how much ever that is. Then you'll add all these together, stick the butter in your cast iron skillet, because why not cook with cast iron? Then stick your cast iron skillet in the oven. It's gonna stay in there until the butter melts, but make sure you don't burn it. Okay, butter is melted. Just melted, you definitely don't want to burn it. The oven is on 425. You're going to pour your very smooth batter into your cast iron skillet directly with the butter. Then you're going to stick that back in the oven for 20 minutes on 425. And honestly, you could stop here, put some maple syrup on it, and be done. But at Cooking with Feelings, we never stop there. Now, while the pancake is baking, this is the part where I make an unnecessary complicated topping. First thing we have is some berries, mixed frozen berries. We're going to plop those in the pot. And then we're going to add just a little water so that there's a little bit of a sauce at the bottom. Then we're going to turn it on and add some honey. About yay much, not a ton. And just let that warm up. Now we're going to make more stuff with Creme Fraiche. So I'm going to add some more honey into this bowl, but then I'm going to microwave it so that it actually heats up enough to mix with the Creme Fraiche. So what we're making is orange vanilla cream to go with our berries. So we're going to add some vanilla in with our honey, which hopefully I didn't cook too long. Then we're going to crush up some dried orange peel that I dried myself because it seemed like a good idea, and add that as well. All crushed up. Scrape it in here. Then, last but not least, we're going to add in our creme fraiche. Okay, it's really like a light orange, not very vanilla-y, so I'm going to add a little more vanilla. And not very sweet, which is nice, because our berries are going to be sweet enough. So that's done. I'm going to put that aside. When the pancake is done, it's going to go on top. Now we'll mix up our berries, make sure those get all slightly stewed, and then those will be ready, and then it'll just be put the pancake out, plop, plop. Put some toasted pecans on top. It'll be ready to eat. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is do our orange cream. Just spread that all around. I was not joking when I said plop. Boom. Alright, let's give it a try. It's really blazing hot. Smells really good. Worthwhile. I would say worthwhile.